Good evening, cryptocurrency traders. I want to talk to you about the recent Bitcoin dominance that we've experienced that kind of created a situation where Bitcoin dropped repeatedly over and over again. Over the course of about 2 to 3 weeks, it sucked all the money out of the altcoin industry, and pretty much everybody got into futures and went short. So, with that said, what's happening yesterday and today especially is that the altcoin market, there's money coming back into it. Altcoins are coming up like crazy. Bitcoin is basically going sideways with just a slight uptrend, which is positive. One of the coins I was looking at recently is WAN Chain. It's doing really, really well after coming off of really low support at about 2280. The the short to medium term trend on WAN is going to be really good. It's going to take back at least what it has lost from 4,000 and maybe even almost up to 5,000. It's really pumping as far as in an overall scheme of things compared to other altcoins, and it's just doing great. Um, on Binance, the altcoin market is doing extremely well. 24-hour volume on Binance, we have leading Ethereum versus Bitcoin, Link Bitcoin, BNB versus Bitcoin, YFI versus Bitcoin, doing incredibly well, just pumping. YFI 2 doing the same thing, rising just above the 1 hour 314 mark, moving average. UNA also doing well recently. It's taken a bit of a fallback, but a little retrace is always good for the indicators, that's for sure. So we kind of have this oscillating pattern with YFI. It's showing a pattern of a little bit lower highs, higher lows, which is good, and I feel it's going to come back up, somewhere in this neighborhood fairly soon, probably within the next week or two. Um, the other coins I've been looking at especially are really nice gainers. Theta has done extremely well and looks like it's going to continue to do well as it makes a series of higher highs. Um, the main reason I wanted to make this video is to talk about the fact that today in particular is a great day to get back into altcoins because the volume is coming back into the industry from Bitcoin. Approximately about September 14th, September 15th, we hit what we'd really consider a Bitcoin dominant market where we just didn't really have enough volume anymore to really, everything was just going down. All the altcoins were plummeting. Now they're taking back what they lost with a vengeance, and you don't want to miss out on this. Also, I want to talk real briefly about the signals that our company provides, blockchain education. Since I've been with the company for about the last 3 years, I have learned pretty much everything I know about altcoins from blockchain education. I've learned how to do analysis, how to trade well, how to teach others. There's a lot of things that I've learned from my own mistakes, and I teach those to our members so they can avoid costly mistakes and just skip all that and go right to the money. So basically what we have hot signals, medium long-term signals, short-term signals, and we also have official calls. Official calls are basically altcoin pairs that are handpicked by an analyst that are expected to do the best of just about any altcoin pair, and we enter those into the hybrid system. The hybrid system is a platform that's very similar to the signal system, but they're all handpicked by a human. So those have done really well recently. They're continuing to go up. And let's take a quick look at some of the signals. Let's take a look at the hot signals. Now in the hot signals, the results button basically shows the past results. You've got the date and timestamp on the left, minutes, hours, or days since called, the coin pair name. The exchange is always going to be Binance.com. Entry price and how much profit we've seen since the call came out or since the signal came out. A lot of these, since this system is completely automatic and definitely the best in the world, a lot of these hit 3% or close to it just within a really short time, an hour or two after the signal comes out, which is pretty darn incredible. I don't think there's another company on the planet that can show you that kind of results and then be able to back it up with proof. These timestamps are verifiable. If you want to check, say, Strat against Bitcoin, go back a little over 1 day ago, say 25 hours, check the timestamp, 1:20 a.m. on September 26th, UTC time, and the price was $47.55. And you can see, if you go back, that it has made 15% just since that time. So that's one way to verify it, and the other way is by joining the company, get into our signals, learn how to do basic, really basic analysis. The first thing I teach people is how to spot a trend and where to get out. There's a combination of things that will tell you very strongly, indicate very strongly where to get out of a signal. What we recommend with our group is we recommend kind of mixing swing trading with automatic trading, because then you can make more from point A to point B instead of just staying in the whole time, maybe getting out too late. If you swing trade and you're actually kind of keeping an eye on it, you don't have to spend much time with it, maybe 20 minutes a day, twice a day. You can actually swing trade using the automated signals and do extremely well. So let's take a quick look at Binance again. On the 24-hour volume, for the top we have YFI leading the Bitcoin pairs, doing really, really well. It's really, really pumping right now, just going nuts. It's starting to take back a lot of what it's lost, and it's possible it could go higher than 417 this time. That means 4.17 Bitcoins. I think the top was actually, 4.2 Bitcoins in value. That is well over $42,000 for one token. So it's quickly taking it back, making just leaps every day. That's the 1 day. Back to the 1 hour. Looks great still. Going crazy. YFI 2, same thing. Really pumping. Pumping like mad. ADX, close second. Really done well. Double tops. Possible Y pattern not Y pattern. Possible W pattern coming up. Keep an eye out for that. Basically, the alt market is just really doing well. A lot of green. Probably about 2/3 of the Bitcoin pairs are in green. And as far as the US dollar tether pairs, just about the same thing. More than half, almost 2/3 in green. So basically, what we want you to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and check the link. We have a 7-day trial period where if you decide within 7 days that you don't want to trade, don't want to make money, or any other reason, you can quit and get your money back. But we're so certain that you're going to make money, and we're going to help you every way we can, including free training and basically all the help that you want. As long as you are there ready to learn, we're going to send you links. We have over 100 on-site videos, many other links to outside videos, 2 training manuals that are written, just a whole lot of things. Tips and tricks, charts posted in general chat. We have a really helpful group of members, longtime members, been with us for 3 years since the very beginning. And it's a great company. You won't find any company in the world that has signals like this. They're incredible. Anyhow, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you soon with a new video. We'll be talking next about cryptocurrency, the secrets of price patterns. Take care, make some money. Bye.